Let me show you how to turn on your E99 and E99 Pro drone. So to turn it on, you have a button over here, and on the remote control you have a button over here. So if it's actually not turning on, the first thing we can actually do is actually check if you have your battery installed, and it's over here. So maybe it's still in your packaging, so maybe simply put it on. If when you actually press and nothing happens, basically there should be lights like lighting up. If they do not light up, make sure to charge the battery. Actually, you should like charge this battery right after you like simply unbox this drone, so before you start to use, because they probably do not charge it to the maximum capacity in the factory, so it can actually stay in the storage for a very long time. So it has this charger over here, and mine comes with a charger, so simply plug it in and plug it in USB or whatever, and make sure to charge it up first before you operate. So then we can simply insert it inside, and to turn it on, simply press this. On this remote control, it actually runs from batteries, so it actually doesn't come with batteries, and you need first to insert batteries here before you will be able to actually turn it on. And the way we turn it on, let me turn it off first. You actually have to turn on your drone first and then the remote control. You can't turn on like the remote and then the drone, it won't work. So power on the drone and wait till it like calms down a bit. So as you saw, at first it started to flash rapidly, but it calmed down and it started to flash like less. And then we can turn on the remote, and then it will automatically connect. As you see, it stopped flashing and it's ready to be used. Also, the first time you actually take it out of the box, before you fly it, you actually need to calibrate, so it actually doesn't drifts anywhere and it's more stable in the air. So the way you do it, it has to be on a very flat surface, so make sure it's flat. Do not hold it in the hands, so simply leave it on a flat surface, as it has inside some gyros, so it has to know that it's on this flat surface. Then all you have to do is pull down these levers on the remote and hold for like 2 seconds. Okay, as you saw, it started to blink and start to flash. Let's do it again. So this is basic synchronization, and yeah, the drone is pretty much ready to fly now. Good luck.